Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering our weekly Bitcoin update. We're asking, are bulls finally back? Our analysis from yesterday was a master call again, spotting a clean bearish divergence that triggered a pullback toward the 121K to 120K support zone. Now, the price action is sitting on key support. The daily and weekly trends are still constructive, with the macro trend remaining bullish. On the H1 chart, we're seeing a triangle pattern in play, signaling short-term indecision. The crucial levels to watch are the 110,000 to 110,500 support, which, if lost, would open the door to $107,000 and potentially $104,000. The biggest move will come from a clean breakout above $122,800. If that happens, we have room to run toward the all-time highs. However, if the triangle breaks down or we see a rejection near $119,000, a retest of $119,000 is likely before any attempt higher. The altcoin market will likely stay green as long as Bitcoin holds above $115,500. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.